Hi, it's Laurie Itkin here, Certified Divorce Financial Analyst, also known as CDFA. Many of you know that when you work with me, on occasion, I might refer you to a certified divorce coach. But today I wanted to share with you a phenomenal group coaching program that is run by Lisa Caldwell called SAS for Women. She has three group coaching programs. The first is called Annie's Group. It's a 3-month coaching group for women who are contemplating divorce or just beginning the divorce process. She also has a 6-month coaching group called Frida's Group, which is for women who are in the middle of divorce. And finally, for women that are trying to rebuild their lives after divorce, she has a 6-month group coaching program. It's a great program. She pairs you with a sort of a sister member. There's another coach who also participates in some of the sessions. Sometimes I drop in to give some financial perspective. I'll answer questions that people may have. And it's a national audience, and oftentimes there's women from other countries as well. So I will put some information about the program. There are signups a couple of times a year. So I encourage you, if this is of interest to you, to reach out to Lisa. I'll provide the contact information. You won't be disappointed. It's a tremendous experience for when you don't, either price is prohibitive for one-on-one coaching, or you might just prefer going through this stuff with a group and with like-minded women.